My sister disappeared every Thursday and returned late at night. This went on for 10 years. One Thursday, I followed her. She was sitting on a grave. The grave had my name and my birth date written on it. I stand by the window of this small apartment, where the world outside moves fast and merciless. Cars race down the street, and a cluster of lights illuminates the dark night. I have pieced my life together in small fragments, and all of this is happening with a serious purpose. For the past few days, a new intensity has taken hold of me. A silent wave of revenge, one that has been slowly building in my heart for years. My sister's disappearances, and the secret she kept, have now become a part of my life. I remember the time when we all lived in a beautiful suburban house. Everything in life was in perfect order. Christmas pictures, white snow, and family smiles. I always found her close, but I never understood her silence. Every Thursday, she would disappear. At first, I didn't give it much thought, but soon, an unsettling anxiety gripped me. She would return late at night, always bringing a new secret with her. I never asked her, but in my heart, I kept searching for the reason behind her absence. Now, I stand in this small apartment, which has changed in color and feel. This is a new chapter of my life. In this new reality, where the absurdities and disappearances of the past have ended, I have taken my fate into my own hands. The secret of my sister's disappearances had to be revealed one day, and that day is today. For 10 years, every Thursday, she disappeared. I thought maybe she was trying to relive some childhood memories, but I never asked. There was a fear inside me that if I questioned her, I might uncover her secrets. One day, I decided I would follow her. Where did she go? Why? And what was she doing? Was it something special for me? Today, I decided to follow her without knowing what I would uncover. And where I found her, on the grounds of a graveyard. A grave with my name and my birth date written on it. I saw empty rose petals scattered around, and she was sitting there, silently. In that moment, my heart asked one question: why was she sitting there? And what was on that grave? But I stopped myself from asking further. I didn't know then how big of a change this truth would bring in my life. I took a step toward the grave. And I knew that something was about to change. In that instant, the image of her sitting there, on the grave, came to my mind. Along with my name, my birth date was written there. I now knew that all of this had been connected to my fate. A secret, which had been burning inside me, had now become a reality. I remember the day when I first asked myself deep inside my heart, why? Was this all just a coincidence? Today, I stand with this new truth. I have discovered the secret that I had been waiting to uncover for the last 10 years. Now, I see myself in a new light. That life, which had been hidden from me before, is now clear before my eyes. The end. In the final scene, I stand, and the past now lies behind me. The line of my destiny is now clear. The questions I had once asked now hold no meaning. The secrets I had always kept hidden are now out in the open. And with this new reality, I move forward. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.